Friends, so happy to see you all. This is lesson number 111. The title is Birds. There are so many different varieties of birds. We will learn the signs for birds in this lesson. What shall we do for our practice time? Let's practice signs from lesson number 106 on special days, the days of importance in India. Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Teachers' Day, Children's Day, Earth Day, World Disability Day, May Day, Martyrs' Day, Financial Year. It is time to learn new signs. Let's now learn signs for some birds now. Parrot, green bird with red beak. Parrot. Pigeon, bird that pecks on grains. Pigeon. Owl, bird with big round eyes. Owl. Crow, black bird that caws. Crow. Peacock, with the long feathers. Peacock. Woodpecker, bird that pecks on the bark of trees. Woodpecker. Kingfisher, blue bird that preys on fish. Kingfisher. Sparrow, a small bird. Sparrow. Eagle, with a sharp beak and big flight and the sign for talons. Eagle. Ostrich, bird with long neck, flat beak and jolted walk. Ostrich. Let's recall and practice signs of birds that we just learned now. Parrot. Pigeon. Owl. Crow. Peacock. Woodpecker. Kingfisher. Sparrow, eagle, ostrich. Keep up with your practice. There are so many new signs that we are learning. So continue to practice. Share with friends. Let your friends know. See you later. Bye bye.